The walls of Babylon have fallen. Its towers are dust. Its kings are forgotten, but its secrets of gold remain. Secrets so powerful that thousands of years later, they still decide who builds wealth and who struggles forever. This is the story of a poor chariot builder, the richest man in Babylon, and three simple rules that still control your money today. Bansir, the chariot builder. In the ancient city of Babylon lived Bansir, a skilled chariot builder. He worked hard. He knew his craft, yet his purse was always empty. One evening, Bansir sat with his friend, Kobi, a talented musician who was just as poor. Together they asked a question that echoes through time. Why do we, who labor endlessly, have so little, while others grow rich? Their thoughts turned to one man, Arkad, the richest man in Babylon. Arkad, the richest man in Babylon. Arkad was not born wealthy. He once struggled just like Bansir. But Arkad had learned a truth few ever understand. Gold follows laws. Those who learn them grow rich. Those who ignore them remain poor. When Bansir asked Arkad to teach him the secret of wealth, Arkad did not offer shortcuts. He offered wisdom, and he began with the first cure for a lean purse. Cure number 1. Begin thy purse to fatten. Save 10%. Arkad said, for every 10 coins you earn, keep one for yourself. This is the foundation of all wealth. Not earning more, but keeping more. Today, we call this paying yourself first. That 10% becomes savings investments, retirement funds ETFs, compounding quietly over time, ancient gold coins, modern compound interest. Different tools, same law. Wealth begins the moment you treat money as a seed, not a reward. Cure number 2, control thy expenditures, master your spending. Bansir objected, how can I save when I spend everything I earn? Arkad smiled, because this excuse is timeless. Arkad explained that most people confuse desires with necessities. In Babylon, it was fine robes and feasts. Today, it's bigger homes, new cars, endless subscriptions, lifestyle upgrades. Arkad warned, gold slips away from those who fail to guard it. Modern lesson? Wealth is not about income. It's about margin. Someone earning less can grow rich, while someone earning more stays broke. Why? Because expenses rise to match income, unless controlled. Cure number 3. Make thy gold multiply. Invest the surplus. Saving alone is not enough. Arkad taught that gold must be sent out to earn more gold. In Babylon, this meant investing in trade and caravans. Today, it means stocks businesses, real estate index funds, and ETFs. But Arkad issued a warning. Gold flees the man who invests without wisdom. In modern terms, avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Don't invest in what you don't understand. Seek steady growth, not fast wins. True wealth grows through patience, not excitement. Ancient wisdom, modern wealth. What Arkad described is what we now call compounding. Money earning money. Over time, without noise. Arkad did not become rich by chance. He became rich by behavior. The richest man in Babylon did not out-earn others. He out-disciplined them. Cliffhanger. But here's the danger. Babylon was full of men who saved, who invested, and still lost everything. Why? Because wealth must be protected, not just grown. As Arkad finished speaking of saving, controlling expenses, and making gold multiply, a murmur passed through the crowd. Some nodded in understanding. Others shifted uneasily. And then Arkad spoke of something many secretly hoped for, yet few truly understood. Luck. In Babylon, people whispered of the goddess of good luck, a force believed to bless certain men with sudden fortune while passing others by. But Arkad shattered the myth. Good luck does not come to those who wait. It comes to those who prepare and act. To explain this, Arkad told a story. The camel trader and the missed fortune. There once lived a camel trader in Babylon who dreamed of wealth. One day, a stranger approached him with an offer. A caravan preparing to travel to distant lands needed camels and would pay generously. But the trader hesitated. He feared the risk. He feared the unknown. He feared losing what little he had. So he declined. Days later, another trader, less skilled, less cautious, accepted the offer. The caravan returned months later, loaded with riches. The first trader cried out, "Why did the goddess of good luck favor him and not me?" But Arkad's lesson was clear. Luck did not choose the second man. Action did. The goddess of good luck does not visit those who wait. She visits those who are ready when opportunity arrives. Preparation creates luck. This lesson strikes deep, because what looks like luck is often saved gold, ready to be invested, controlled expenses, allowing flexibility. Knowledge gained before opportunity appears. The camel trader failed not because he was unlucky, but because he was unprepared. In modern life, this plays out every day. Opportunities appear, market downturns, business ideas, career openings, investment chances, but only those with saved capital and courage can act. Luck is not random. Luck is preparation, meeting opportunity. Babylonian gold versus modern wealth. In ancient Babylon, gold was wealth, heavy, tangible, finite. Today, wealth often takes a quieter form. It may look like ownership in the S&P 500. Dividends quietly paid every quarter, index funds compounding while you sleep. The principle, however, is unchanged. Babylonian gold sent out with caravans. Modern money invested in productive companies. Both share one truth. Wealth grows when it is put to work patiently. The S&P 500 does not explode overnight. It compounds year after year, much like Arkad's gold multiplying through wise investment. Dividends are the modern equivalent of gold returning with profit from distant lands. Different tools, same ancient law. The 2026 reality check. And now a hard truth. Most people in 2026 know these rules. They've heard them. They've read them. They've watched videos just like this one. So why do so few follow them? Because Babylon has a modern enemy. Lifestyle inflation. As income rises, spending rises. Comfort expands. Expectations grow. Raises disappear. Bonuses vanish. New money is consumed before it ever has a chance to grow. Just like in Babylon, people say, "I earn more now, yet I still have nothing." The problem is not income. It is the failure to claim the first coin, guard expenses, and invest the surplus. The same rules that worked thousands of years ago still work today, but they demand something most people resist. Restraint, the silent divide. In every era, there are two kinds of people, those who hear wisdom and those who live it. Babylon was filled with opportunity. So is the modern world, but only a few build lasting wealth, not because they know more, but because they act when others hesitate. The goddess of good luck still walks among us. She does not ask for brilliance. She does not ask for perfection. She asks only one thing: were you ready when the moment arrived? And as Arkad prepared to speak again, the crowd sensed it. The next lessons would not be about growing gold alone. They would be about protecting it from ruin. And for many, this is where fortunes are truly decided. Many men in Babylon learned how to earn gold, only to lose it through foolish decisions. Arkad spoke clearly. Gold is cautious. It flees from those who invest without wisdom. This cure is about protection. In modern terms, avoid investments you don't understand. Beware of promises of guaranteed returns. Don't follow crowds blindly. Today, this means diversification, long-term thinking, ignoring hype and speculation. Arkad teaches us that preserving wealth is just as important as creating it, because one reckless decision can erase years of discipline. Cure number 5. Make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. Own your home. Arkad encouraged the people of Babylon to own the place where they lived. Why? Because rent drains gold forever. Ownership, when done wisely, builds stability. In modern language, this means reducing long-term housing costs, creating predictability, turning a monthly expense into an asset. This is not about luxury, it's about security. A home should serve your life, not enslave your income. Arkad's lesson reminds us, wealth grows best on stable ground. Cure number 6. Ensure a future income. Prepare for the days to come. Arkad was deeply concerned with the future. He asked, what will become of you when age weakens your hands? This cure is about long-term planning. Today, we call it retirement planning, passive income. Financial independence. Arkad taught that a wise person prepares income for old age, family protection. Times when work is no longer possible. Modern tools may include retirement accounts, dividends, businesses, investments that work while you sleep. The lesson is timeless. Do not let your future self suffer for your present comfort. Cure number 7. Increase thy ability to earn. Invest in yourself. The final cure may be the most powerful of all. Arkad said that gold flows more easily to the man who continually improves himself. In Babylon, this meant learning new skills, becoming more valuable, gaining wisdom and judgment. Today, this means education, career growth, business, skills, financial literacy. Your greatest asset is not your money, it's your ability to create value. Gold follows those who grow. The 5 laws of gold, the ultimate wealth code. After the cures, Arkad revealed the 5 laws of gold, a code that governs all wealth across all time. Law 1. Gold comes to those who save. Gold flows to those who set aside a portion of what they earn. No saving, no wealth. This law is unbreakable. Law 2. Gold works for the wise. Owner. Gold multiplies when invested with patience and understanding. This is unbroken. Law 3. Gold leads to protection. Gold remains safe when invested wisely and guarded carefully. Risk without wisdom leads to ruin. Law 4. Gold slips away from the uninformed. Those who invest in it do not understand the risks, heightened risk, principles, gold avoids the risks of religions and natural resources. There are no shortcuts. They're never broken. Ancient Babylon, modern Rome. Thousands of years have passed, yet nothing has changed. Tools are different. ETFs instead of caravans, banks instead of laws, digital money instead of coins. But the laws remain unchanged. Wealth still improves discipline. Wealth still punishes impatience. Babylon did not fall because it lacked